Good morning. Mag-a-attend tayo ng event today. Malapit na matapos.
United again. At si Aisha.
Ayun si Joss, guys. Kumukulog. Naman.
If a very end of the relationship and you have ugly, the man's not for you.
Hey, ako here and welcome to another vlog. So this is another attempt of like shooting in landscape format as lagi ko sinasabi kasi nga parang lagi akong nag-a-attempt talaga mag-shoot pero parang dun sa editing part talaga lagi natatenga because like may mga kailangan akong i-prioritize na kailangan unahin, na i-edit and all that, ganun. So I'm really sorry at baka sabihin niyo na naman na nagdadahilan ako. But this is really my best and I'm really trying to show up and do the things that I want to do. And so, sabi ko na gusto ko mag-film ng YouTube video because parang feeling ko na in the next few days, medyo maging eventful ang ating buhay. Mainly because I have a lot of events to go to. Like, parang may plans talaga ako almost every day. And if you're new here pala, hello, I'm Kokoy. And I'm a full-time freelancer na content creator. So, yeah, this is my life. Parang wala akong makain for today's video. Rice. Tinapay. May palaman ba? Sardinas na lang ba ako? Rice. Ha! Buti na lang may rice. Okay, guys. So, medyo wala pong ulam for today's video. So, ang gagawin ko is parang banchan style na kung ano-anong natira sa, sa ref. First one, kanin. So, brown rice siya. So, ginagawa kasi ni Mama, binabatch niya. Tapos, nire-ref na lang yung tira. So, take out to from the other day. Oh. Parang siyang tenga ng daga, pero parang chili garlic vibes siya, ganun. Ito din, take out din to. Parang kangkong, doenjang, sa parang Korean restaurant. So, at least may gulay tayo for today's video. Yan. So, we have our food. Kangkong, yung tenga ng daga, at saka kanin. Tapos, mamaya ako na ilalagay yung cucumber. Same siya with the marinated eggs that I have. Yan. Okay, so while waiting for our breakfast/lunch to finish, magte-take tayo ng hindi po alak ang ating iinumin. So, meron tayong dito, Simos Wellness Potion. This one is from Uncle Bob's. Chia, ginger, calamansi siya. So, yun. Usually, parang one shot or like half, ganyan. I have yet to try their other flavors kasi may mango din sila. So, which is good kasi if ever na ayaw mo yung lasa, ganun, at least, pwede mong piliin kung which one yung for you. So, yeah. Cheers! Akala mo naman soju, pero ginger shot. Parang ang dami kong nalagay. Whew! Whew! Hagod! Oh my God. Ginger is gingering. Oh. I'm really, really addicted on making matcha every single morning. And dati pa naman ako mahilig sa matcha, as in like grade school ako, mahilig na ako sa matcha. Mas na-enjoy ko lang lately yung pag-prepare ng parang mas, traditional style of like making matcha, ganun. But anyway, long story short, bumili din ako ng digital kettle. So, para lang na makuha ko yung right temperature when it comes to like heating up my whisk, ganyan, tsaka pag-prepare. Pero like totally hindi naman to kailangan para mag-start ka ng matcha journey mo. So, maarte lang talaga ako kasi nga, pag nagpapakulo ako, sa pot pa talaga, ganyan, na sobrang laki, tapos hugasan ko pa yung pot and all that, ganun. So, ang dami ko na namang dahilan sa buhay. Chanan! So, this is our baby. So, this is from Lascaux. Ay, link ko na lang sa baba if ever that you guys are interested. Para, I think, price nito around 3.2. Pero nag-vouchers ako. Parang 2.8 ko na lang siya nakuha. So, yeah. Tada! We have our matcha. But hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Kasi usually, I've been mixing, like doing the Earl Grey syrup. Pero lately, ito yung ginagawa ko, guys. Himalayan salt. So, para siyang salted matcha latte. Tadaan! Okay, so we are done with eating lunch. So, meaning it's time to work. And, parang may bahid pa nga ng matcha yung bibig ko. I'm so sorry. Pero, yeah, so today is gonna be a work from home day lang siya. So, hindi naman ako lalabas to like work in a cafe or like may events or something, ganon. So, super na-appreciate ko talaga yung mga days na nasa bahay lang ako because I get to catch up on work. As in, like, the admin stuff, the editing part, and all that, ganon. Kunwari mag-attend ako ng event, like, nakakain niya na talaga yung buong araw ko, ganon. So, yo! Hello you guys! It's another day, and medyo napaning ako sa Osmo Pocket ko. For some reason, di ba kapag tinitwist mo siyang gano'n, like mag-auto siya na landscape. Pero ngayon, hindi na! But anyway, today is another day, and we have a Netflix package over here. Mainly because mag-attend tayo ng event today. Magre-release na kasi nung season 3 ng Squid Game, kasi di ba yung first batch, parang this year nag-launch, so may last remaining, tapos may event tayo sa BGC, and they sent over us some tracksuit. So actually, last week pa ito pinadala, pero ngayon ko lang siya susukatin. Like, very clutch of me, di ba? Pero check natin kung kasya siya. Ayun o, ang cute! Si 456, so feeling ko 456 kami lahat. Ang cute naman. Okay, parang feeling ko naman na sakto yung fit. Ooh! Tatakbo siya, di ba? Stop! Grabe, nagtotopak na talaga yung Osmo Pocket ko. Okay, we are near the venue or like BGC in general. Medyo traffic lang talaga lagi dito sa area na to, yung Brixton area. Ewan ko ba? Nakita na niya ako. Ayun si Joss, guys. Siya yung kasama ko for today's video. Ang taray naman ang outfit mo, sis. Mas cute, di ba? on Netflix! Ay, kaantok. Ay. So, this afternoon, mag-gown fitting ako and sa may West Ab area na yon. So, naisip namin na mag-run na lang muna kami sa UP and then in the afternoon, bago ako mag-fitting. But this is our outfit for today. So, wala kasi ako masyadong workout top. So, ito na lang yung sinuot ko. Mofusan shirt from Uniqlo kasi ginamit ko na rin to the other day so para at least nalabhan na siya. I also have my sports bra on and then this Erisem na shorts from Uniqlo, super comfy. Tapos may cycling na siya sa loob, ganyan. Tapos dito sa kabilang side, parang may ano pa siya. May zipper siya over here so that you can store your mini things, ganyan. So yeah, let's go running today! My gosh guys, kumukulog na. Actually, kanina pa umaambon. Pero biglang may malakas na kulog. So sana wag naman tayo maabutan ng ulan. My God. Ay. Pero, nasa goal ko naman na 3 kilometers. Kasi feeling ko na yun lang yung kaya ko. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako runnerist. So, okay na yun. At least nagawa na natin yung pot natin. Yeah! Good na ako guys. Paano ba ginagawa ng mga runnerist ko? Yung mga nagka 21 kilometers. Like, how? Parang walk pa nga. Pagod na ako. Tires.
Fresh mushroom with
Nagdala na rin ako guys ng laptop kasi mag-work na lang ako. 3 PM pa yung schedule namin doon. So, mag-work na lang muna ako para at least it's a productive day pa din. And marami din kasi ako kailangan kabulin na work. Okay, we're here guys sa Maria Bautista. So dito kasi ako nagpatahe ng dress natin for the Klook na event. So all black siya. So it's gonna be really exciting. Ayan! The vision is visioning! Mag-hi sa vlog! Hello! Malapit na matapos you guys. Next week. Next week na abangan. Good morning from my messy room. Would you believe guys, na fit lahat dito as in yung laptop ko and yung everything essentials. Medyo mabigat siya, pero still, it still fits. So, that's the good part. So, outfit check tayo. So, itong top ko from Uniqlo. Actually, both outfits from Uniqlo kasi dumaan ako the other day sa Uniqlo. Nag-shop around ako. So, syempre, as a, hindi ko alam, ako lang ba yung laging after ko mag-shopping? Parang gusto ko agad suotin yung mga damit na pinamili ko just because excited akong gamitin sila. So, this one, I've been eyeing for a while now and I finally got it. Parang, ang tagal na nito sa Uniqlo, pero parang hindi siya lagi may stock. Parang ganun. Tapos, our skirt, super cute nito. And, yan yung itsura niya sa loob. It's the gray one. So, it's giving, parang kang Korean student. Ganun ang atake. And then, magpa-flats na lang ako na color red later. And our tote bag. So nice. I-link ko na lang lahat sa baba if ever na yung mga kaya kong i-link. So, let's go.
Bakit biglang naging indecisive? Guys, I'm with Ja. United with Ja again. Dito kami sa anong restaurant to? Bistro Rooftop. Yan ang cute nung ano niya, nung cafe. Literal parang glass air. Parang yung vibes, parang feeling ko na sa Tagaytay ako. Parang ganun siya actually. Kulang na lang yung bundok yung view. Pero yung view mo dito, city. You're only allowed 1 cup of coffee a day. Yung ventilation tea.
This is me after my deadline. So I got dirty horchata. 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 Perfect. Kasi bawal ako ng dairy. Sarap.
Pag nagdedebo na lang, sabi ko, ayan na po, nandito na po tayo sa pinagbabawal na lugar. So, i-unbox namin yung binili namin. So, for me, in-unbox ko yung I Love na Rainy Day series. And binili ko yung 6. So, sure na ata na nandito unless may secret. So, pinili ko na. Ito yung pinakamaalog. So, feeling ko na possible na sana Robbie. Kasi never pa ako nagka-Robbie. So, manifesting that this is Robbie. Please, squeeze. Just kung please. Robbie. Pero if not naman, okay lang. Happy pa rin ako. Hala, nakita ko na yung kulay in 3, 2, 1. It's so cute. Ano nakuha mo? Gusto mo ba yan? Ang cute. Hindi siya yung secret. So, isa pa ba? Okay. Ang roleta. Kasi yung wini-wish ko talaga kanina yung Robbie. 3, 2, 1. So cute. So guys, bumalik kami sa Holybook to buy our 7th piece. Kasi parang somehow confident kami na secret to. Kasi nga, parang pointy talaga siya. Actually, parang nawawala na nga yung pagka-pointy niya. Like, nafe-feel ko talaga siya na baka ito talaga yun. Ang OA talaga. Hindi! Yung I'm so sad! Ayoko na. Like, this is a gamble. This is like inner child. Ang gastos. Why are you looking at me like that? Sabi niya, binili mo ako. Another day, another event day. Actually, na-realize ko na ang dami ko palang events in the past few days or like ganaps in general. And nakakapagod mag-prepare ha. Pero I really love our look for today. O, diba? Pa! So, we were invited by the US Embassy for Independence Day. And yung theme or like motif would be red, white, and blue. So, I chose red na lang. And then, actually, this whole look I borrowed from my friend. So, parang feeling ko na ito yung mga perks of like having friends na cutesy ang mga outfits. At least I don't need to buy or rent, ganyan. On the way, actually, nandito na ako sa BGC area. Pero, napaka-traffic. And I'm driving manual. Kasi coding yung other car namin. And walang window hours kapag BGC or Makati. So, wala tayong choice. And grateful na lang tayo na may kotse tayo, diba? Yeah. Reunited again!
Ang mga bati!
Si Isa at si Aisha.